Everyone, in today's video we'll demonstrate Exchange Server 2016 installation. For this lab we require two servers, one Active Directory server domain controller and another server for Exchange Server 2016. Let's start. This is my first server. I need to install Active Directory on this server. Go to Server Manager, add roles and features. Next, role based or feature based installation. Next, for this server. Next, select the roles, Active Directory, domain services, and DNS server role. Add features. Next, 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 and install. Close it and go to notification. Promote this server to a domain controller. This will be our first server. Assign name digitalmindsit.com. Enter the password for restore the Active Directory services restore mode. Next, next, and now server is ready for Active Directory deployment. Install. Active Directory installation completed. Let's log in and do some basic configuration. We need to create one user and assign some roles. So from that user we will install Exchange Server 2016 on another server. Let's start. Tools, Active Directory users and computers. This is our Active Directory domain. User, new user, Moise. Login name will be Moise. Sign password. Password never expire. Finish. Right click on this user. Go to member of, assign roles. What roles required for this? This user, administrator, should be administrator, then domain admins, then enterprise admin, then schema admin. Where is the schema admin? So we assign 4 roles which are required to execute the installation of Exchange Server. Apply. OK. So our user is ready. Our installation for Exchange Server 2016 installation. Let's do some basic configuration. We need to execute 2 commands. For executing 2 commands from Exchange Server setup, we need to execute 2 commands from Exchange Server setup to make Active Directory ready to receive Exchange Server 2016 installation. Let's execute 2 commands. For that our Exchange Server setup is on E drive. Go to E drive. This will be our first command, setup.exe / prepare schema space / I accept Exchange Server license terms. Hit enter. There is a spelling mistake, so let's correct the mistake. Exchange Server license terms. Now execute the second command, setup.exe prepare AD organization name and our domain name. I accept Exchange Server. Again, I have made a mistake here. Exchange Server license terms. Hit enter. Okay, now Active Directory server is ready. Let's move to Exchange Server. Now we are on another server. We need to make this server member to the domain controller. For this, right click on this PC, properties, change settings, change digitalmindsit.com. Click OK. Enter the administrative credentials. Okay, username is incorrect. Try one more time. Okay, server is now member of this domain controller. Okay, and it will restart. Let's log into Exchange Server for installation. Log in with the user which we created earlier, Digital Minds IT, username OS, password, login. Let's install prerequisites. Now we have to add one role, Media Foundation role, to this server to start our Exchange Server installation. Go to Server Manager, add features, add roles and features, next, and from here enable Media Foundation, next, and install. We will restart the server and begin our installation of Exchange Server 2016. Now we need to execute this command in Windows PowerShell copy this, open PowerShell as an administrator, hit enter. Features installed. Just go to setup files. I copied setup files here. Double click on setup. Yes. Next. Next. Next, I accept the terms and license agreement. Use recommended settings. Will be installing mailbox role on this server. Automatically install Windows Server roles and features if we miss anything previously. Next, go with the default settings. Never disable malware scanning. Always no. Install. It will process 14 steps. Installation has been complete. Let's finish and verify. Exchange server is ready now. You can see Exchange Admin Center. We'll end today's session. Thank you.